There are a lot of ways on how to earn money. But this year, 2022, I'll share with you the best among the best. People who earn from $100 up to $700 a day prove that this method is truly the best. It gives opportunities to all people, even if they're just beginners in making money online. Even if you have no experience or special skills, as long as you're brave enough to try this method and grab this chance, you are going to be successful. Hi, welcome to Daily Cashflow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Some people are already earning $50 million with affiliate marketing. Yes, you heard it right. This method that lets people earn hundreds of dollars every single day is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means you're promoting a software, a product, or a service, and in exchange for that, you'll have a commission. You've probably already seen other people doing this by sharing their links on different social media sites, forums, and discussions. It's amazing how people have become so successful by doing affiliate marketing. We've come to a point where we risk everything for other business models other than affiliate marketing, and we have spent so much effort, time, money, and other resources on that. And that's not even for long-term passive income. But with affiliate marketing, we could have a main source of income. It is better to try and start affiliate marketing and see the results of it. You can also see other people's success through their testimonies and stories on YouTube channels or other platforms. There are people in their 20s, 30s, 40s, and even 50s that are still earning through affiliate marketing. People from all around the world are trying this method and earning monthly in the comforts of their homes. In this video, I'll show you how enjoyable and profitable it is to start affiliate marketing. This is guaranteed the best way to earn money online. So for all of those viewers out there who are not good at handling a big business or a team, or if you can't risk your resources for a larger business, or if it's difficult for you to start a new one, you can try this method. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. We can't deny the fact that there are businesses or jobs that become harder and harder to handle as time passes by. Some people are quitting their 9-to-5 jobs and are seeking other ways to earn money that's not hard to do, and that won't make them sacrifice their physical, emotional, and mental health. Getting out of a stressful working environment is what everybody wants. To have freedom and more time to relax and spend time with our loved ones are among the things that we want even though we're working, right? People who've tried affiliate marketing and who've become successful in it without even creating their own product or service are the ones who are making millions of dollars and have financial freedom. And if you don't have employees or capital to hire some staff, you can still have financial freedom through affiliate marketing. And with this method, you're no longer responsible for the management, logistics, inventory, or other tasks because all you have to do is to share the links of a product or a service. Recommend it to other people you know or you don't know and make money out of it. That's how you'll receive your commission, whatever percentage it is. If we make hundreds of dollars per day or thousands of dollars per month, well, we can be like those millionaire guys who started affiliate marketing. And it's quite impressive. A job that's easier, stable, and profitable is a job that we all want. That's the power of affiliate marketing. You have the freedom to travel and go out with your loved ones. And here's the good news. Everybody could be an affiliate marketer, and you can promote any products that are available online. You can be an affiliate for phones, appliances, clothes, sunglasses, or just anything around you. You could be an affiliate marketer for anything and make money with only a little effort. If you're a total beginner, you're in a really interesting stage of your journey toward making money online. You have the choice to select any online company that exists. The issue with that, though, is the enormous number of online companies or businesses. And if you choose one that's a little bit more difficult or stressful, you'll probably spend a year or even 5 years perfecting something that isn't really a long-term goal. Making money not just fast, but also consistently. Affiliate revenue can continue to flow if you know how to handle it. But you already know that though, since you already have an idea about affiliate marketing. Additionally, you need to understand the specific idea that you can choose any business model if you're just getting started in your online money-making journey. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. It will also depend on your personality or what type of person you are. You first need to know why you want to do things when you first start making money online. Because affiliate marketing is not for you if your objective is to simply create the largest business, have a large team, create your own product, and do all of those things. A lifestyle business is what affiliate marketing is more about. However, if your motivation is humbler and simpler, such as you simply wanted to be able to spend more time with your family, or you wanted to start an affiliate marketing business not for the money, but for the freedom that it could give without having to manage everything and stressing out with almost everything at the same time. If your motivation is simpler, affiliate marketing might just be right for you. Again, the first step is to identify your motivation or your reason for engaging in affiliate marketing. What kind of lifestyle would you like to lead? Where would you like to travel? For the second step, find mentors who basically have the outcomes you want that will guide you throughout your journey. Now, for the third step, choose the affiliate marketing type you want to use. There are paid advertisements, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, SEO, YouTube SEO, organic search results, and blogging. There are literally countless varieties. And if I could select one business model, it would be affiliate marketing, because I prefer doing it more than being able to test a lot of various things. But then again, you can experiment with all the various affiliate marketing business model types, because you could learn how to become proficient in marketing through that. The main reason why marketing is so important is that it doesn't matter if you're using affiliate marketing to promote your own goods or services, as well as those of third parties. You may choose whether you want to start a business or not if you could market an existing product and receive commissions for it. For example, I want to sell kitchen appliances. I'll try affiliate marketing first and earn a commission from it. If I'll earn a lot of commissions from it, that's when I could decide if I could also sell appliances and make a business. It will also hone my marketing skills. If you truly understand what affiliate marketing is, the key concept of it is that it gives you options, and when you have more options, you can choose whether you want to keep doing what you're doing or enter the physical product business. You can also choose whether you want to work 8 hours per day or only 2 hours a day. When you have more options in life, you typically have more wealth, more power, and more opportunities to accomplish the things you want to do rather than being forced to work a 9-to-5 job. And that's it. I hope you learned something about affiliate marketing from this video. You can share your thoughts, experiences, and suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video, and to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.